What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another JECS Kicks video, and as you guys can see, we have an unboxing of the Timberland Supreme multicolored patchwork shoes, man, or boots I should say. Really, this is going to be an interesting one. I'm super excited for this. You guys know me, I love unique items, and this one's unique for sure. Now, before we get into unboxing, I just want to let you guys know this is my first ever pair of Timberlands. Yes, I know, this is my first ever pair. I've never owned a pair in the past, so this is going to be very exciting and interesting to check out. So here's the box. I believe this is the same box that they always use, or it might be different. I'm not too sure. But you guys got the big old Supreme logo here. Supreme on the top. Really nice. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Really nice. Size 13. Really cool. All right. So let's take a look at what's inside. The box feels very premium. Ooh, guaranteed waterproof since 1973. Really nice. We got our Supreme sticker here. Oh yeah, that's a good sticker. That's a really nice sticker right there. We also get like a duffel bag as well to carry them in, which is really nice as well. And I like the fact that they're waterproof too, because you know, if you want to wear them in the rain, you can. All right, and here we go, guys. Let's take a look. Woo. Sheesh. This is going to be fun. Oh, man. This is going to be some fun. My goodness, these things are heavy. Holy, these things are heavy. Look at this, man. We're going to take a closer look at them in just a second. All right, guys, and here's a look at the left boot here. And look at the detail, man. Look at this. I mean, here's the thing. Like I said, of course, you can always go for the safe colorway, the all black colorway, you know what I'm saying, or the all tan colorway. You know, you can always do that, but it's a Supreme Timberland collab. And it's like, if you're gonna go for a collaboration like this, why not get the most unique item that you're definitely not going to see every day, which is this right here. And honestly, if you can pull this off, you can pull it off in a fit, you can make it work. I got a couple ideas with this. You can definitely make this work and look really nice. Like a lot of people, when they see color on the shoe, they're like, oh shoot, no. When I see color on the shoe, I'm like, okay, let's make this work. But here's a look at it, man. Here's a look at the bottom as well. Wow. Interesting pair of shoes here, man. I love the red inside as well. And it shows Timberland for Supreme on the inside. That's what it says, which is really cool. Overall, great quality. Heavy shoe for sure. Like I said, this is my first pair of Timberlands. I do plan on wearing these one day. Not anytime soon, though. This is going to be something that I just have on my shoe collection for a minute. And then maybe I'll rock it out. We'll see. But this is such an interesting shoe. And right now, prices for these on the resale market is around 400 in my size, at least. I think 400 pretty much on all the sizes, you know, after tax and stuff. So definitely let me know what you guys think about these, though. Really love this colorway, though. It's super unique. Got the hints of Supreme all over. Very good quality. And I like the default shoelaces that's already included compared to the black. Yes, the black, they look nice, but I feel like this color complements just the multicolored patchwork all over. So I really do like that. And here's a look at the right shoe here. Really good. I'm pleased with the quality. Stitching looks great. The material feels great. Really nice quality. I like the pink here. That looks nice. All the different colors. Now, let me know, were you guys able to pick these up? Did you guys go for them on the website? Or is this another scenario where it's like you're trying to see some reviews, see some other people having them in hand, unboxings? Definitely let me know if you guys plan on getting them, or if you guys are just already have them. Definitely let me know in the comment section. But here's a look at them. Definitely a heavy shoe, which will definitely protect you when it comes to rain, especially since these are waterproof. Really good, really nice. But yeah, I honestly, like, watch, you have the right fit with these, you can make this shoe look fire, and it's gonna be so unique. Like, I feel like 10 years from now, I don't even think it'll take 10 years from now, but I'll just work with me for a sec. 10 years from now, if you see someone wearing these, you can be like, oh shoot, that's the multicolored Supreme, you know, it's like a, you know, if you know type of shoe. And it's like, this is such a unique colorway that you're not gonna see it every day. That's what made me pick this up. I was like, you're not gonna see these every day. You're not gonna see people rocking these every day. So I'm super pleased with this, and I'm definitely excited to take a look at these and really have them in the collection, man. I'm super happy I got them in the collection. Timberland for Supreme on the inside. Got your Supreme tag right there too. And here's the bottom. Now going over some extra details here, you guys got the Timberland Supreme little tag here. Really nice. Would you guys keep that on your shoe, or would you guys take it off? Let me know. Also, there's different patchworks on both pairs of shoes. So the shoes aren't the same color in the exact same order. As you guys can see, the tongue on this one is red, the tongue on this one's yellow. The toe box got the pink, you got the red. Even the Supreme stamp is in a different location. Overall, it's just such a unique shoe. I mean, look at this. So it's not going to be the exact same on each side. So here's one side, and here's the other shoe. Yep, it's different. Wow. Any details on the bottom? Nope, pretty much the exact same. And here's what they look like together here. I can already see it. Clown shoes, clown shoes. Hey, honestly, I don't care. Like, I rock what I want to rock. And when I do throw on a fit for this, yeah, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. There's multiple ways of making it work, you know? You can rock something that has the color that complements it. It can be kind of like the same color tone that complements the shoe, or you can wear something that is a more darker tone fit. I don't want to say black. I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying. That can, what you want to do with the fit is complement these shoes. That's the whole thing. Like, if you're gonna wear shoes like this, you want something that's gonna complement the shoes. I wouldn't wear something that's gonna distract the color from this shoe. So it's like, I really got to be in the lab with this one. I'm really gonna have to study this one, man. Go in the lab, like, really. Let me know, how would you guys wear these? How would you guys wear these? I'm gonna definitely think of something, because I know you can definitely make this work. I'm telling you, you can make it work. You just gotta mix and match stuff that will complement the shoes overall to make the fit just go all together, man. But hey, those are the Timberland multicolored Supreme boots here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about these. I think they're fire. I don't regret purchasing them at all. If you guys want to know the materials and the retail price for all that stuff, along with all my other videos, all that stuff is in the description down below. So definitely stay tuned for that. But do you guys think that these are clown shoes, or do you think that these are something interesting, unique, and fire? And do you plan on picking them up for yourselves? I'm telling you guys this now. Like, I have zero intentions of reselling these things. If these things go up to like 10,000, which I know they won't, I wouldn't even sell them. Like, I would keep these for sure. Like, these are for sure a keep. But I will keep it real with you. I truly think down the line, this shoe is gonna go skyrocketing in price. Because once everyone gets, you gotta think about it. I just got my pair in today. Once everybody gets their pairs, there's gonna be people that's gonna just flip them real quick. There's gonna be people that are gonna hold on to them. There's gonna be people that, you know, rock them right away. I'm telling you guys this now. This shoe, once everyone sells their pairs, it's gonna go up in price like crazy. Expect the price to go up. I'm pleased with the shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I'll see you guys on the next time. Sign out. Peace.